Hi, this is Charles from IHMG Creations. Thank you so much for downloading this resource. I hope you find it beneficial to either your distance learning or your traditional classroom. When you download the PDF file, if you go to page 3, this is some important links and videos. I'll come back to this. The rest of this document, though, is the fiction and nonfiction book report that you can share in print with your students. So that's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to really focus on the online portions. When you click on the Google Slides resource link, it's going to ask you to make a copy. Please do that first. And that's going to give you your own version of this resource. So at that point, once you've made the copy, then you can make edits and changes and really tailor this to your own classroom. There's 3 sections. There's the weekly reading log with the levels of engagement. And I included this because I use this with my students. And I found that this really helps them stay engaged when they're doing their independent reading. And if you're using this in a distance learning environment, staying engaged is going to be really critical. So to complete their reading log, they just click in these green boxes and they just type in the information that they're being asked for. There is also a fiction book report as well as a nonfiction book report. So you can share this as one big document, or I'm going to teach you or demonstrate how to break these up into components. So I'm going to show you how to do that with the reading log. So to do that, you highlight the slides that you want isolated. Then you go to File, Make a Copy, Selected Slides, and we're just going to call this reading log. And this will create a new document with just those slides, just the reading log. At this point, you could easily share this with your students through Google Classroom or some other method. If you're not using Google Classroom, I would highly encourage you to try it out. If you need help, please contact me and I can help you get that started. So once you have your reading log isolated, then you can, like I said, share this with your students. And you can do that with the fiction book report as well as the nonfiction book report. If you have any questions or comments about this resource, please feel free to email me at ihmgcreations@gmail.com. And if you have any other distance learning needs that I could be of assistance, please contact me and I will try to help you out with that. Thank you once again. Have a great rest of your school year, and thank you for supporting my store.